Hi guys, this is Niyati and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you guys a lemonade recipe which is ginger mint lemonade, and let's get started. The things that you'll need for this recipe are
4 lemons, fresh mint leaves, 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water to make the simple syrup.
Simple syrup is very easy to make. All we would need is just 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. I would also be adding mint leaves to give it a minty flavor.
A cold simple syrup in the fridge. Ginger peeled, and we would be grating the ginger. Once the ginger is grated in a flask, squeeze the ginger to make a ginger juice. Squeeze in lemon juice. Add a few mint leaves. I've squeezed 4 lemons here. Muddle the mixture with a muddler to give it that minty flavor. Next, I'm going in with simple syrup. You can replace the sweetener with honey also if you're going for a healthy option. Fill the jar with ice. Add water. Fill the flask completely with water. Give the flask a quick stir. And my ginger mint lemonade is ready to serve. Yummy!
My lemonade is ready to serve. It's such a simple lemonade, but it gives such a refreshing flavor with the mint in it. I hope you like it. Do subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.